Hello everyone, I am Shankar Achbal. Today's the topic name is the linked hash map. The Java linked hash map class is the hash table and the linked list implementations of the map interface with the predictable the uh, implementations orders of the inherit the hash map class of the implementations of the map the interface. The point of the remembers the Java linked hash map the contains uh, the value base of the key. The Java linked hash map the contains the uh, unique the elements. Java linked hash map the many have one null key of the multiple null value. The Java linked hash map it is the non-synchronized the Java linked list linked hash map the mentions the uh, of the inheritance orders. The inheritance instance default the capacity of the Java hash map. The class is the 16 with the load factor of the 0.75 linked hash map. The class the declarations. It sees the declarations for the Java utility linked hash map the class. The public class the linked hash map. The extend hash map implementations the map. The linked hash map the class the parameters. Let's see the parameters for the Java utils the linked hash map. K. Uh, it is the type of the key the mentioned by the maps. V. It is the types of the map the value. Constructor of Java linked hash map class. Constructor the descriptions the uh, uh, linked hash map. It is the use for the constructor of the default uh, linked hash map. Linked hash map is the capacity. It is the used to interrelations of the linked hash map with the given the capacity. Linked hash map is the capacity load factor. It is the use of the synchronize both the capacity of the load factors. Uh, Linked hash map is the capacity load factor boolean the access orders. It is the use of the internalize but both the capacity is the load of the factor with the simplified orders mode. Linked hash map the extend k extend. It is the use of the internalize in the linked hash map with the elements of the given map map the methods of the linked hash map the class method description. We get the object k. It is the returns of the value of uh, with the specified of the maps. uh, uh, Valid the clear. It is the remove all the key value the peers from a map. The boolean contains the value object. The value of the mode the key to the specific value. Set map the entry set the returns the set is view of the mapping the contains it is the maps. Valid for the is the by constructor the super action. It performs of the given the action for the each uh, entry of the map the util all the uh, uh, have the been the process or the action the truth and the operations. We get orders, get defaults order the object key. It is the default. It is the returns of the default with the specified which maps the default value. It is the this map contains in the mapping for the key. Thank you for this.